Hi guys, here we are, Moat Hills level crossing in Yorkshire with Shane and people. What the hell, Usain Bolt? Damn it, signal place.
Put it to me from the arch.
No. Balls to you!
We've got double closure! We've got double closure! We've got double closure!
Because this closed, I'm guessing it's this first.
Yeah.
Because I think I saw some up
Yes,
there.
yellow, a single yellow. The station's about to depart. Look where on the bottom thing could say an 82 or something, right on the bottom.
Let's get out.
So I'm not getting one here today.
Because this is a quiet road, you can actually stand in the middle of the road.
Yeah, but not be like an arch.
That's the signal place where we were.
Here we go.
Where we were.
We were controlling.
Green,
Right,
it's coming from this way.
Air fast. Right on the bottom, look, 43. Is that 43?
Yeah, that's a 43. I think it's King's Aberdeen or something.
It's wobbling quite a lot.
You're wobbling quite a lot. Says
I wonder if it's on auto raise.
Yeah, we are.
Can they hear everything we're saying?
No. Adam!
Leave the barrier alone. Because them guys will have to pay for what.
No, we don't.
Wait, I see a shed.
Yeah, I see a shoe.
Which one's coming first?
I no idea, I ain't got any board up.
Let me go check the signal down here. If not, then it's a HST first. And if it isn't a HST, it'll be something over there. But they're only on to like a minute and a half. We're on to like 2 minutes.
We're not on 2 minutes.
Yeah, we are.
Grandson!
Here's the grandson to Sunderland.
Let's see if the
Grandson to Sunderland.
lights are flashing at the same time. Some of the faulty equipment don't do that. That's mine. Right. And I do not know if we're going to get that double closure going up and down that down.
Unlikely.
To get that deal.
These crossings are being controlled by the signal place. 43, 467.
43!
And 43, 480 to Sunderland.
Bottom?
I think the
What's
Sunderland.
their bottom?
Hopefully.
I'm gonna have to run it. There's gonna be a lot of running in these videos, guys. Here's a 91. There goes 91 102. See you all. Hey, 205 Flying Scotsman. Yes, the other one, not sure what that's called. I think it's called Moat Hill or something. Not sure, but Dock Hills. We have stayed here at Dock Hills as we wait upon a Cleethorpes Manchester, I believe. One of the two. So I'll see you next time. Hi guys, we are at Dock Hills level crossing in Yorkshire with Shane, Andrew, a Rainbow. Yeah, I'm not gay, by the way. I may be high though. Adam and Joe. As we have a dusty bin going. A 321 from Leeds to go to Doncaster. 321, I'm guessing 902 again. Not sure. Hey signaler people, wherever you are, you're over there. Dusty bin. 321 901 from Leeds. 321 901 again. Three, 2, 1, 901 back to Doncaster. And
Contacts are pretty far in. Well, open the seat up.
there it goes. And that's it.